Have you ever faced a problem so tough you thought about giving up? Marie Forleo, in her powerful book Everything is Figureoutable, says there's always a solution. You just haven't found it yet. Marie learned this mindset from her mother, who tackled broken radios, leaky roofs, and every obstacle with determination, repeating the mantra, "Everything is figureoutable." Seeing her mother's unstoppable attitude inspired Marie profoundly. But what's stopping you? According to Marie, there are 3 major barriers: the fear of failure, believing you lack the resources, or thinking the problem's impossible. Each of these, she argues, is just a limiting belief. Your beliefs shape your actions. If you believe something can't be solved, you won't even try. But when you embrace that everything is figureoutable, you're empowered to persist, experiment, and ultimately succeed. Marie encourages reframing obstacles as opportunities. Lost your job? Maybe it's time to finally launch your business. Hit a dead end? Perhaps a better path awaits. Challenges become stepping stones, not roadblocks. Start small, Marie says. Tackling big problems head-on can overwhelm you. Instead, break them down into tiny, manageable steps. Small progress leads to big results. But what if you fail? Marie reminds us failure isn't the end, it's valuable feedback. Mistakes are part of figuring things out. Embrace them, learn quickly, and pivot forward stronger and wiser. She emphasizes action over excuses. No time? Find it. No money? Be creative. Marie's key message: excuses keep you stuck, but action sets you free. Forleo shares countless real-life stories, from athletes to entrepreneurs like Oprah Winfrey, who overcame enormous obstacles to achieve global success, proving impossible problems can be solved with persistence, creativity, and belief. Remember these powerful lessons. Embrace obstacles as opportunities, break down problems into manageable steps, and replace excuses with action. Because truly, everything is figureoutable. So, next time life presents an impossible obstacle, pause and remember Marie's mantra. Ask yourself, what if this problem is actually figureoutable? Then take just one step forward, because you have everything you need within you to begin.